The UVgel Packaging Factory. Small run, big impact. Thanks to the UVgel Packaging Factory, produce high-quality, impactful preprint sheets for packaging and POS displays applications at high volumes. Digital printing offers you the ability to perform short and custom runs with low setup costs, high flexibility, and fast turnaround times compared to offset printing. This solution gives more than spectacular digital freedom. UVgel Ink can help you to achieve impressive print quality results on a wide range of uncoated, coated, and craft packaging papers without the need for lamination. They can be glossy and matte in the same print if you add the Flex Finish Plus option, or add subtle surface detail to your prints with Flexture option. You also have the option to add the power of digital printing to your workflow with a jumbo roll feeder up to 400 kilograms bulk-sized media input. A cutter and a stacker inline or nearline, based on the reliable Colorado M-Series printer. The UVgel Packaging Factory output can be used in your offset and litho lamination processes with ease. UVgel Packaging Factory. Small run, big impact. Level up your short-run packaging game.